Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you've all been well and safe. Everyone who's watching me for the first time, hi, my name is Anmol and this is my channel all about Anmol. And everybody who has been associated with me since day one, thank you so much for all the love. Mwah! I love you guys. So, as you all already know, I have started my wedding shopping and this time I'm here to share a footwear haul with you guys. So this is kind of the first part of my wedding shopping series, you can call it, or wedding shopping haul series, whatever you like. But yeah, this is the first part of that. Slowly I'm gonna make a video on everything that I buy because I want to share it all with you guys. I know आप लोग भी उतना ही excited हो सब कुछ देखने के लिए. So इस वीडियो में I'm gonna share what all footwear I got for my wedding trousseau. I am a big fan of Mojris और इस haul video में I am only going to show you guys all the Mojris that I got because मैंने Mojris ही खरीदी है. I didn't buy any heels or any other type of sandals or flats or anything. मैंने सिर्फ Mojris ली है, सारी मिंत्रा से हैं and they are all from the same brand which is called Anook. I'm gonna include the links for all of these products in the description box and I know a lot of you guys are gonna love all the things that I'm going to show in this video. So if you end up liking anything, you can just go check the description box and find the link for every product in there. All of these Mojris are from 1000 rupees to 1500 rupees, which is a great deal looking at the design and the quality that they have in that price range. So ये सारी बहुत blingy है, बहुत ही party wear Mojris है, so don't expect anything simple plain Jane in this video because I have gone all out. Without any further delay, let's get started. Ta-da! So this is the first pair of Mojris that I wanted to show you guys. This is in a very beautiful navy blue color. इसका जो fabric है Mojri के ऊपर वो थोड़ा shine, you know, the fabric has a little bit of sheen in it and just look at the घुंघरू वाली detailing. Oh my god! And they are all super comfortable because इनके अंदर में बहुत ही बढ़िया ऐसे cushioning की हुई है. Also, please don't mind this single nail on my finger. Because बाकी तो सारे मैंने निकाल दिए. This one is stuck on my finger. It's not getting off. So मैं इसको टाइम लेके निकालूंगी. So please don't mind it. But yeah, let's get back. So इसके अंदर में बहुत ही अच्छी foam cushioning है. Even if you're wearing these for a longer time period, your feet are not gonna be sore. मुझे shoe bite बहुत आसानी से होता है, like बहुत जल्दी. But these have a really good finishing, as you can see. These are really soft and मुझे shoe bite नहीं हुआ है. I have worn them just to try them out and they are really comfortable. My size is 37 in all of these Mojris. So yeah, this is the first one, navy blue with all the golden detailings. Love it. This is my second most favorite Mojri in this whole shopping. So this is a very beautiful golden beige color का बहुत ही pretty embroidery है इस पे. All over the Mojri you can see the same embroidery. बहुत ही subtle है, बहुत प्यारा color है. You know, this is gonna be matching with all of my outfits. But I am such a sucker कि मैंने बहुत सारे कलर्स में मंगवाए हैं. मैं चाहती तो थोड़ा कम में निपटा सकती थी, but since it's my wedding shopping, so I didn't want to have any control on myself. I have gotten Mojris in all the possible colors and I still want to buy more. I have more lying in my wish list, but yeah, I have controlled. So this is what it looks like from up close and yeah, this is the second pair. The third one is this really pretty peach and golden के कॉम्बिनेशन में मोजरी और इसका भी जो डिजाइन है वो मुझे बहुत सुंदर लगा. लाइक इट्स वेरी यूनिक और ये सारी मोजरीज पहनी हुई इतनी प्रिटी लग रही है. यू नो, आई पर्सनली लव हील्स, बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू ट्रेडिशनल कपड़ों के साथ कौन सा फुटवेयर सबसे बेटर जाता है, आई ऑलवेज गो फॉर मोजरीज बिकॉज दे लुक सुपर स्टनिंग. वो ऑल ओवर आपको इतना ट्रांसफॉर्म कर देता है आपके लुक को. इवन इफ यू आर वेयरिंग वेरी बेसिक लेदर वाली प्लेन मोजरीज, तो भी यू नो इट मेक्स यू लुक वेरी पुट टुगेदर, वेरी क्लासी. बिल्कुल क्राउड से हटके नजर आते हो आप, मुझे ऐसा फील होता है. सो आई लव मोजरीज एंड दैट्स द ओनली रीजन आई ओनली बॉट मोजरीज फॉर माई सेल्फ टू इंक्लूड इन माई वेडिंग ट्रूसो. इसकी एम्ब्रॉयडरी भी बहुत ही सुंदर है. द पैटर्न इज ऑल्सो वेरी मुगल एंड वेरी रॉयल टाइप का. दिस इज अगेन अ वेरी वर्सेटाइल पीस बिकॉज इतना प्रिटी फेमिनिन कलर है इसका, पीच कलर, एंड आई थिंक आई कैन पेयर इट विद अ लॉट ऑफ माई आउटफिट्स. सो या, this is the third one. Next comes this gorgeous yellow color mojri. So ये तो full on embroidered है, as you guys can already see. इस पे पूरा मिरर वर्क किया हुआ है, पीछे में भी पूरा मिरर वर्क किया हुआ है. सारी मोजरीज के अंदर कुशनिंग है. Look at the design. So आगे में जहाँ जहाँ पे गैप्स है वहाँ पे पूरा जरी का काम किया हुआ है, और ये मिरर वाला डिजाइन तो आप you guys can already see. और ये बहुत ब्राइट, बहुत you can call it a shade of lemon yellow, which is very very bright. This is a very statement piece to, you know, have into your trousseau because lately I have been in love with bright colors. So as soon as I saw this, I was like, this is definitely going into my cart. And again, yellow is a color which looks amazing on all the Indian skin tones. So yeah, this one is the fourth pair that I got. Next up is this very very beautiful, this lovely fuchsia pink color मोजरी. इस पे भी पूरा गोल्डन डिटेलिंग्स है, इस पे थोड़ा कुंदन भी लगे हुए हैं, एंड देन सीक्वेंस का भी काम है, देन जरी की एम्ब्रॉयडरी है. सो दीज आर फुल ऑन पार्टी वेयर मोजरीज एंड वेरी ब्राइडल, वेरी ब्लिंगी, very pretty at the same time. So yep, this is the next one. This is what the back looks like. And then यहाँ पे पूरा जरी से ही एम्ब्रॉयडरी की हुई है. So kind of like a border on the whole mojri. Absolutely stunning, absolutely pretty. I mean, I'm so happy I got these. नेक्स्ट अप मैंने उसी पिंक में डिफरेंट कलर लिया है. दिस इज अ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल शेड ऑफ गोल्डन, और बिल्कुल सिमिलर एम्ब्रॉयडरी है. एवरीथिंग इज द सेम. द बैक लुक्स लाइक दिस, एंड इस पे भी पूरा जरी से आउटलाइनिंग की हुई है पूरी मोजरी पे. सो दिस इज अनदर गॉर्जियस पेयर दैट आई गॉट. And this is my most favorite piece of mojri in this whole shopping. It's a very very pretty orange color. ये बहुत ही सुंदर ऑरेंज का शेड है. मतलब ये शेड ऐसा है कि आप इसको मिक्स एंड मैच करके किसी भी कलर के आउटफिट के साथ स्टाइल कर सकते हो. ऑल्दो ये बहुत ही ब्राइट कलर है, बट देन अगेन बिकॉज it's a very pretty shade of orange, so this is gonna go with a lot of outfits. This is again a very statement pair of mojris. If you ask me, I think all of the mojris that I showed you in this video, they are all statement. They are all very pretty in their own design and in their own color. So but yeah, this is my most favorite one. इस पे actually पूरा pearls का भी काम किया हुआ है, and then you can see पूरा बेल जैसा डिजाइन बना हुआ है. Sequins, then zari. The back looks like this. So पीछे में बहुत ज़्यादा embroidery नहीं है, but then the front compensates for it. This also has a cushioning, and as I said, all of these are in size 37 because my size is 37. I've gotten a little fat. I used to wear 36, but now I wear 37. तो ये सारी मोजरीज मैंने ली है अपने वेडिंग ट्रूजो में इंक्लूड करने के लिए, एंड आई थिंक बिकॉज कलर्स बहुत ही डाइवर्सिफाइड हैं, सो आई थिंक दे आर ऑल गना कवर ऑल ऑफ माई आउटफिट्स. मुझे और कुछ भी लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं है अब, ऑल्दो आई एम प्लानिंग टू गेट वन मोर इन रेड कलर, बट या लेट्स सी. माई मॉम इज गना किल मी, शी कीप्स स्कोल्डिंग मी, व्हेन आर यू गना स्टॉप, बट you know, I just say it's my wedding. If I'm not gonna shop now, when am I gonna shop? So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. That would mean the world to me. And please share with your friends and family. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. I was honestly really impressed by the quality that they are offering in such affordable price. You guys already saw the design, you guys already saw the finishing of each and every piece in the video, so you guys can decide for yourself. But I am super happy that मैंने किसी और ब्रांड का ना लेके अनूप को ट्राई किया. I loved all of them. बहुत ही intricate embroideries है, बहुत ही neat and clean finishing है हर मोजरी की, so they look very expensive. किसी को विश्वास नहीं होगा अगर मैं बताऊँ ना कि these are all under 1500, तो किसी को विश्वास नहीं होगा, मतलब इतना सुंदर सब कुछ है. As I said, all the links are in the description box down below. Do follow me on Instagram. I know I have been a little inactive, but I am super busy. मेरे parents आने वाले थे. हमारा जो plan था पहले का, it was like कि मेरे parents आने वाले थे, obviously to help me shop for my wedding and stuff. I mean, it's a dream for every girl कि वो अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ अपनी वेडिंग शॉपिंग करे एंड अपना लहंगा और बाकी का सब कुछ ले, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली दैट कुडंट हैपन. एंड सिचुएशन ऐसी है कि आई हैव लिटरली नोबडी विद मी टू शॉप फॉर माई वेडिंग. आई एम डूइंग इट ऑल ऑन माई ओन. दैट रियली सैडन्स मी. जब मैं अपना लहंगा पिक कर रही थी, देन उस दिन माई ग्रैंडमा वॉज वेरी इल. My father was in the hospital with my grandma. He was taking care of her and उनका treatment चल रहा था, so he was unavailable. But I had my mom and my sister on video call with me to help me choose the lehenga, and I was feeling so sad. I literally cried in the shop. And बस यही feel हो रहा था कि like why not? Why can't my parents be here? It's a dream for every girl to, you know, have that moment when she finds her dream wedding dress and everybody, her family is around her and stuff to support. So that's like a moment that you cherish for life. Unfortunately I couldn't have it, but yeah, जो होता है probably अच्छे के लिए होता है. So I was kind of sad, but मैं अपने आप को समझा रही थी उस दिन. So yep, situation ऐसा भी है कि I can't go out a lot, so most of the shopping I'm doing is online. तो मैं फटाफट उनको links भेज देती हूँ कि do you like this, do you like this, should I order this, and then they approve and then I get it for myself. So that's how I've been shopping for my wedding. Talking about being less active on Instagram, that's the reason I am not very active, because I am super busy. I don't have a lot of time. The wedding is in February and I only have like 1.5 months left to shop and arrange for everything. So yeah, that's the only reason. So please forgive me. I'll try to be more active. I mean I want to do so many things, but then कुछ ऐसा हो जाता है कि you know there are change in the plans, but hopefully सब कुछ जल्दी ठीक हो जाएगा and everything can get back on track. So till that time, thank you so much for all the support and all the love that you guys give me. I love you all. Please take care of yourself. Please take all the precautions when you're stepping out of the house in this time. And yep, sanitize, wear a mask, take care of yourself, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay safe, take care, bye.